So, dear students, today we will going to discuss a very interesting topic and the first topic of accountancy for BCom first semester syllabus, CBCS syllabus, that is accounting information. Now, when it comes to accounting information, what is accounting information? Accounting information, first of all, we say it is a statement. Okay, we say it as a statement. Why statement? Because it provides quantitative information. Okay, it provides quantitative information. This quantitative information is again the effect of transactions. Okay, effect of transactions or events of an accounting organization. Okay, now as it is a statement, why statement? Because it is used for predicting, then comparing, okay, and evaluating. Evaluating what? The financial position of the company. Financial position of the company. Okay, so what we understood? First of all, it is a statement which provides qualitative information. Okay, qualitative information on effect of transaction and event. It is again a statement because it is predicting, comparing and evaluating. What they evaluate? The financial position of the company. Okay, financial information or position of the company. Now, accounting information, what they do? They serve the needs. You see, needs. They serve the needs of whom? Of the users who rely on what? Accounting statements. Okay, as their principal source of information. Okay, you see, accounting information, they cater the needs. Whose needs? Users, needs of the users. Why users? Because they rely on the statement. Again, you see the statement. Yes, they rely on the statement as a source of information. And this information, see this information, I'm making it in capital red letters, helps in decision making. Okay, this help in decision making. Now, when you talk about accounting information, we have types. We have types of accounting information. What are the types? Number one is the balance sheet. Balance sheet. Why balance sheet? What is balance sheet? But why balance sheet? Balance sheet because it is again it is a statement. It is a statement of the assets. Okay, liabilities Another one is and capital of business. Okay, capital of business unit at a particular date. Okay, again see, in accounting information we are only focusing on what? On statement. Again it is a balance sheet is a statement showing what? The asset, the liabilities, capital of the business unit for a particular date. You know the date, accounting year start from 1st April to 31st March. Okay, so that within that date what is the statement of their assets, liabilities and capital. Okay, then balance sheet also shows. Balance sheet again shows, see I am writing in again green color. What is this? Financial position of the company. Okay, what they identify? The financial position of the company. So first what we got? Balance sheet. If we get a small recap, accounting information is a statement that helps in predicting, comparing, evaluating the financial position of the company. Okay, again statement because it provides qualitative information about the effect of transaction and event. See, again when we are prepared, when we are studying the types of accounting information, there we got number one balance sheet, and balance sheet also is a position of the financial, is also knowing about the financial position of the company. Okay, so we have number one as what? Balance sheet. Number two, what we will get in number two? Number two is the profit and loss account. See, this is the hub. Again, what is profit and loss account? Under accounting information, it is again a statement that shows the sources and application of funds, yes, within a business period. What is the main focus here? It is a source and application of fund. Okay, as we know from the very definition, what is profit and loss account? It shows the profit and loss of business during a period. Is it clear? Okay, it is a statement of showing profit and loss of a business during a period. So from here also we get it as a statement. Okay, the third, what we have in third? We have the fund flow statement. Fund flow statement. Number one, you got the balance sheet. Okay, number one, you got the balance sheet. Number two, we got the profit and loss account. Number three, we'll go for the fund flow statement. Now, what is fund flow statement? Okay, before just proceeding for fund flow statement, one thing let me make you clear. In profit and loss account, this profit and loss account, number one, they always calculate the revenue. Number two, the expenses of the business. Okay, along with what? Profit and loss. Okay, this point was skipped. Just remember, in profit and loss account, it is a statement that is showing the sources of an application of fund. Also it shows about the revenue and the expenses of the business during the period. And again it also shows the profit and loss of a business during a stipulated period. Now let us come to fund flow. What is fund flow? Fund flow statement is a statement that summarize, you know what summarize? That summarize the funds held in the business. It summarizes the funds held in the business over a specific period. Okay, it summarizes the fund held by business over a specific period. Most important here is that it's again highlight the change. It highlights the change in liquid fund. You know what is liquid fund? Yes, it is liquid fund, the cash. So fund flow statement is again a statement that summarize the fund held over a business, over a specific period, and specific period means within one financial year. Again, the most important part is that it highlights the change in liquid funds of the business during a period. Is it clear? Okay, so we have the balance sheet, we have the profit and loss account, now we got the fund flow statement. And the last one is number 4, the cash flow statement. You see the cash flow statements. Again, you see we are writing it here, accounting information is a statement. Again we have same like that, we have a cash flow statement. What is cash flow statement? Cash flow statement actually is a statement that calculate the inflows, what is the inflows and outflows, of the most important item, that is known as cash. It is a statement that studies the inflow and outflow of cash during an accounting period. Okay, during an accounting period. Now another most important point is that it explains, this cash flow statement not only it study about the inflow and the outflow of cash, but it also explain how the cash held by the enterprise, okay, has changed between one balance sheet date to another one. Okay, what is the actual concept of cash flow statement? First of all, it is the inflow and outflow of cash, okay, during a business or during an accounting period. Again, this one cash flow statement is actually explain how the cash held by the enterprise has changed between one balance sheet date to another. How there is a change in the various financial position related to cash. So what we have learned today? We have learned about accounting information system, and just shortly summarizing it up. Okay, accounting information system is a statement that provide quantitative information about the effect of transaction and event during a business period. Again, it is a statement of predicting, comparing, evaluating the financial position of the company. Now, accounting information caters the needs of the user who rely on accounting statement as their principal source of information. Now, what are the types of accounting information? We have number one, the balance sheet. Why balance sheet? Because it is a statement. You see, again a statement of asset, liabilities, and capital of business unit at a particular date. When you say particular date, it comes to 31st April to 1st April to 31st March, and this balance sheet also highlights the financial position of the business or the company. Second, we have the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is the sources and application of the fund, just like a fund flow also, but the main focus is that it only concentrates on the revenue and the expenditure of the organization. And profit and loss account also helps to know about the business profit and loss during a period. Third, we have the fund flow statement. In fund flow statement, it is a summarize of funds. What funds? Cash funds of the various funds about the business held in a business over a specified period. See, what is the main point here? It highlights the changes in liquid funds during a year or during a business period. And the last one we have got is the fund flow, the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement because it highlights the inflow and outflow of the cash during an accounting period. Yes, this cash flow statement explains how the cash held by the enterprise has changed over one balance sheet data to another balance sheet. Now we'll discuss or throw light on the advantages and disadvantages of accounting information. First of all, let us write the advantages part, because strong point always helps an organization to grow. The first advantage is that it is a principal source of information. It is a principal source of information about an enterprise economic activities, the various profits, the various losses, and how the business is going on. The second advantage is it is useful in making business decisions. Okay, it helps in making business decisions. Okay, then the third one, the most important one, it helps in predicting, then comparing and evaluating yes, the potential. What they evaluate? The potential of cash flows. Okay, the potential of cash flows during the business or in a particular period. Okay, then it helps to know what it helps to know: the ability of an organization to take decision, to take business decision. Okay, business decision. Also, it helps to know about the company's earning power. Yes, there are many advantages, but for time specific, we just follow this 5. Number 1, first of all, it is a source of information of economic activity. Second, help in making business decision. Third, predicting, comparing, and evaluating the potential cash flow. Then it helps to know the ability of an organization in business decision, and it helps to know about the earning power of the company. Okay, so every every aspect has advantages, and along with the advantages it has some disadvantages. So number one disadvantages, it is historical in nature. Okay, historical in nature means does not show the cannot show the current position. Okay, it cannot show the current position. It only will work from one financial year to another financial year. The present situation cannot be assessed. Then number two, does not always present comparable data for comparison. It always does not provide comparable data for comparison. Then don't have any impact of change in the value of money. Is it clear? So these are all the advantages part, and these are the three disadvantages part of accounting information. Hope you have got an idea about accounting information. So in the next class we'll again forward with another topic. Thank you for watching. So ask your friend to subscribe my channel so that more and more information can be spread. Thank you.